Open the Adobe Illustrator, then click on Create New. Select Art and Illustration. I will choose 1920 by 1080. Okay, so now we are ready to make our illustration. So first of all, click on the rectangle tool, place the cursor on one end and then drag down towards the other end. Then go to the layers panel, create a new layer and lock the previous one and select the fresh layer to draw. Select the pen tool and make sure that you cancel the fill option and then start drawing. I'm doing this a little faster, but you can slow down the video and see how I draw this illustration. Don't worry about the irregular shape. Select the direct selection tool, click on the anchor and improve the illustration. Now we are gonna make another part of the fire inside the larger one. Click on the pen tool, select a point, drag towards the curve and then place it. Do the same step and this will make a dome-like structure. Do this step to make another dome inside the previous one. Again, click on direct selection tool. Select the whole illustration and then zoom inside using Ctrl+. Now you can see the irregularities. So first we will improve the structure of the domes by clicking on the anchors, and then to make a visible outline, we will deselect the stroke and then choose any color. Again, go to the illustration and then you might see a dot. Click and hold the dot and drag upwards to make a curve. Okay, so now it's ready to fill the color. Select the whole illustration and then click on the fill option. Double click on the fill and then put hash FF 4 times 0. Now select the first dome and color it white. So our first illustration is done. Let's quickly go to the second illustration. Again, choose the pen tool and start to draw as you like. Remember, don't worry about the shape of the object, you must complete the illustration first and then edit it as you want. I'm gonna make this quickly. To see how it's done, slow down the video and then see every step. So now what I'm gonna do is stretch the initial point towards the center. This will make you to draw the curve easily and then join the end point to the initial point. Okay, so now we are done. There are some imperfections which will be resolved in seconds. Select the illustration and then go to the gradient tool. Now double click on the left circle of the slider, change the color to RGB. Again double click on the circle and use the eyedropper to pick up the color. I'm using red and orange. You can use whatever you want. Now click on the gradient tool present on your left and then click on the screen while pressing the shift key. Drag down until you get the desired gradient color. Now we quickly move to our last illustration. Create a circle of any dimension. Now use the pen tool to draw over the circle. Click outside the circle and then click and hold inside the circle. Click and drag towards your left. This will make a curved line. Then go back towards the starting point and close the loop. Use the fill color option to fill white color. Improve your object by clicking on the anchor and adjusting the angle. Select the whole object, click on the pathfinder and select minus front option. This will cut the object you made recently over the circle. Now again click on the pen tool and start making the upper end of the object. Now again select the whole object, go to the pathfinder and select unite. This will join these two objects. Now improve your object using anchor and curvature tool. Now we are making another short flame just beside a large flame. Now to give it a 3D effect, again draw from the first anchor point. Now filling the newly drawn with different color to distinguish between the two. Do the same step in the shorter flame. The 3D effect will not be shown until you give it a gradient fill. So select the larger frame and go to the swatches panel. Select the pre-made golden dust gradient. You can choose any type of the gradient as per your choice. Then again use the gradient tool on the left panel and drag till you get a perfect gradient finish, or you can use the slider present on the right.